Hi, I'm Sibesh and this is Maya. Maya lets you generate software from just English. You instruct it what to do and it generates programs to do it for you. Today we are going to use Maya to build a tool to send a custom tailor-made email to a bunch of users in an SQL database. So say I want to send an email to users about places they'd like to visit nearby, only to users or leads who live in Fairfield. The user data is in Postgres, so I just type that into Maya and what fields I want to extract. I know the city is a column, so we just type that into Maya. Maya generates this visual program with a button to fetch only this data from Postgres. I could plot this in a table, but for now I'm moving it into a Google Sheet to edit this data and add more columns. And I did that by just describing the next step. Maya generates the program and then points me to wherever requirements are missing, like this missing Google Sheet URL that I can insert easily, and then the credentials for securely connecting to the Postgres database. That's it, we are halfway there. I click the button and you see only the users living in Fairfield moved into the Google Sheet from the PostgreSQL database. I'll fast forward to the part where you add a custom detail like place for each user in this column. But once added, you can compose a mail to directly include this detail. So first, let's fetch these columns of data from the Google Sheet we just created. Then we plot it in a table to visualize it, and then create a template for an email asking them about the places they visited, and then generate the next bit of program to send an email using an email provider like Sendgrid or Mailgun. On clicking deploy, Maya deploys it and it's now ready to change. For instance, Maya generated the first draft of a mail template based on what I told it to do. I can now edit the email easily using Markdown like this, correct the variables, format text, insert missing context, add links, etc. I can then save it to a library for reuse or view and load a template already made previously, like this one. So as you can see, this one uses the variable payload.place, which means the column place from our Google Sheet, which is inserting to create a custom email for every single user on the sheet. That's it, we deploy it, and we now have this custom tool to do mail merge from records from any data source. I press fetch and it shows me all the users from the Google Sheet and lets me click and go through the custom mail which will be sent to them with first name and place filled in where specified. I can press send to send individually or send all to dispatch to all in one go. And that's it, we are done here. Maya lets you quickly craft your own tools by describing them in English. Get early access today at mayalabs.io.